Hi friends, welcome to Data Info. In this video, we will talk about real-time case number 18 and fourth in 100 days of SQL. So today the concept is LinkedIn top voice. So let me go to the question. So basically LinkedIn is a professional social networking application. So they want to give top voice badge to their best creators to encourage them to create more quality content. A creator qualify for this badge and he need to follow couple of criteria. So the first one is creator should have more than 50K followers, and the second condition is creator should have more than 100K impression on the post that they published in month of December 2023. Third condition is creator should have published at least 3 posts in December 2023. So for this we need to write a query, and we have two tables like creators table and post table. And if I go to the table data, so if you see here, we have created information and also post related information. So if you see here in creator table, we have creator related information like creator ID, creator name, and total number of followers for that particular creator. And in post related info, if you see here, we have the post ID and publish date and total number of impression for that particular post. So based on these source tables, we need to find out this particular output. So if I break down this particular output, so basically what they want is they want to give top voice award to their best creators to encourage them to create more quality content based on couple of criteria. So these three criteria they give. So whoever follows this particular conditions for those creators, they need to give the award. So if you see here in this output, they want data from both the tables. Creator name is coming from creator table and number of posts or total number of impression are coming from post table. So as a first step, we need to join these two tables. We need to join creator table and also we need to join post table. Let me join both the tables. Select R from creators aliasing as C on post join. I will use here join. Post is my second table, aliasing as P. On which column? What is the common column? If you see here, the common column is creator ID. So if I want to join these two tables, I have the common column that is creator ID. So let me use the same column, C dot creator ID equals to P dot creator ID. So this is my joining data set. Let me run the query. So for now, I'm pulling all the columns and this is the joined data set. We have the info from creator, we have the info from post table. So on top of this data set, we need to apply couple of conditions. So the first condition is straightforward one. If you see here, creator should have more than 50K followers. So if you see here, we have this condition. So if you see here, followers column, we need to apply this particular condition. So we need to check whether this particular creator is having more than 50K followers or not. We need to check. So for that, let me add the condition C dot followers. So followers is available on creators table only. So due to that reason, I am using C. So where followers should be more than 50K, right? 50K means 50,000. So let me run this query. Now you will see only two creators, Rajnikant and Rahul Sharma. Why two creators means Pavitra and Gupta is having less than 50K followers. Less than 50K followers. So due to that reason, we eliminated those two records. Now we are done with first condition. Let me go to the second condition. So the second condition is bit tricky. Creator should have more than 100K impression on the post that they published in the month of December 2023. So here we need to observe couple of points. So basically they want only December 2023 data. So if you see here in our table, we have 12th month data and also 11th month data. So they don't need this particular records. They want only December data. So we need to add that condition. So first of all, we need to pull only December 2023 data. Then after that, we need to sum the impression, because they want that impression for each and every creator, right? So we need to perform aggregation on top of this column for each and every creator. So after that, whatever the number we are getting for each and every creator, that value we need to compare with 100K. So let me do it, and I will explain. First of all, let me pull only December data. I need to eliminate this particular record here because this is belongs to 11th month. So let me remove that particular record, publish date between. For that, I will use this way to eliminate 11th month or other month's data. So for now, what I will do is I will use between. I will use start date and end date in December 2023. So this is my start date. Since it is a date column, I am going with single quotes. 31 is my end date in that month. So now I could see only 6 records. Now we filtered only December data. After that, what we need to do as per the Excel, if you see here, we filtered only December 2023 data. Then we need to get to know what is the total impression for each and every creator, right? So for each and every creator, how many total impressions? So let me write the code for that. So here I need only couple of columns. Creator ID I need, creator name I need in select. Then after that, sum of, here I need to use sum only because they need impression, total impression, total impressions in December month. So in group by also I need to use same columns because they need that sum for creators, each and every creator. Ambiguous column name. So here creator ID is available in both the tables. So you need to tell server this column is coming from which table. So I'm pulling it from creator table. Now we got the info. Let me give the aliasing for our aggregated column. Total impressions is my display column. Now let me execute. Now we got the info. Second, first is done. December data, then total impression also done. But we need to compare this value with our condition. Total impression should be more than 100K, right? So let me add that condition also. So we need to compare this value. This value, this value is greater than 100K or not. If you see here, Rahul Sharma, the total impressions in December month is less than 100K, less than 1 lakh. 100K means 1 lakh, right? So it is less than 100K. So we need to eliminate that record and we need to observe this value. So whatever the value 90K you are seeing here, that is aggregated value. So if we want to filter on aggregated value, we need to use having class only, not the where class. So this is aggregated value. So I want to filter on aggregated value. So due to that reason, I'm using having. So it should be 100K, greater than 100K, more than 100K, right? So now we got the expected data. So we are done with second condition. We applied December data and we populated so total impressions, and the total impression is greater than 100K or not also we verified. So the third condition is now straightforward. Created should have at least published 3 posts in December 2023. December 2023 we already populated. So just we need to check total number of posts. So total number of posts, right? So here we need to perform count number of posts. So we will perform count on post ID because that will give the total number of posts. So this will give me the total number of posts. Count of post ID. Post ID. So the column name is number of posts. The same columns in group B because for each and every creator we need this total number of posts. We populated this number, but we need to check, right? In condition, we need to check this value is equals to or greater than 3. By equals to means, let me tell you, they said at least 3. So due to that reason, we have to use equals to 3. We added third condition also, third condition also here. They said at least 3, right? So due to that reason, greater than or equal to. Now We populated all the information and we verified all the conditions. But we need only three columns. So due to that reason, either you can use CTE or other way subquery or other ways also. So let me pull only required columns. Select creator name I need, number of post I need, number of posts I need, total impressions also I need. From which table? CTE. Now we got the expected data. So here we did couple of steps like we joined the data. Then after that we filtered as per the first condition. We need only greater than 50K followers data, and after that they want only 2023 December data, and they want to see total impression should be greater than 100K for each and every creator. Then after that each and every creator should post at least 3 posts in that December month. So this is what we populated, and it is matching with our expected output. So couple of things you need to observe, like how we will add this condition and how we will add the second condition is key here, because it is including three inner steps. Like you need to filter December data, then you need to populate total impression for each and every creator. Then after that, that value you need to compare with 100K. That is key thing. So if you understand that, then it is very easy. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos in SQL.